Welcome to this amazing video. If you look to find a compare video between the funded trader TFT to FundedNext, this video is exactly for you. So let's dive in. Right now I'm at whichfunded.io. If you are new here and you don't familiar with this amazing website, I will leave a link under this video. This website helps you to get more knowledge about prop firm and help you to find and learn how to pass challenges or find the exact prop firm for you. So you just need to go ahead and search, for example, weekends allow and high leverage, and those prop firm you can learn and search inside of that. But this is for another video. If you want to find a review on one of them, let's compare the FundedNext to the TFT. So the year founded, FundedNext founded at 2022 and TFT founded at 2021. You can get maximum balance of $4 million are funded at FundedNext and 1.5 million at TFT. The tradable asset are forex indices, metal and commodities at FundedNext, and at TFT forex indices, metal, commodities and crypto. So if crypto is like one of the things that you would like to trade, you should consider TFT. Both of them have 1 and 2 step evaluation. Trading platform, both of them have MT4 and TFT have MT5 as well. Both of them, the trading hours, you can leave your trade overnight and over weekends. So that is very decent. Copy trading allow only at FundedNext, and news trading allow only at TFT. EAs allow at both of them, and the trust pilot rating is 4.6 at FundedNext with 3,900 reviews. For TFT, 4.6 as well, but with 5,700 reviews. The payment type, this is very important, right? You should how you should get your money. Wire transfer, this is for FundedNext. Wire transfer, PayPal, Crypto, Pioneer, Coinbase, Revolt, and Wise. And for TFT, PayPal, Crypto, Pioneer, Coinbase, Revolt, and Wise. Let's start to compare the one-step evaluation. FundedNext, the profit target is 25% before you lose maximum of 10%, but the maximum daily loss is 5. In TFT, you need to get profit target of 10% before you lose total of 6%, but not to lose 3% maximum daily loss. There is no maximum drawdown, but FundedNext have minimum trading 10 minimum trading days. That's about 2 weeks, because this is a trading days. No maximum trading days. Profit split, start with 60% at FundedNext. After a couple of payments, you can get up to 90%. In TFT, start with 80% and can get after a couple of payments up to 90%. Let's compare the two-step evaluation. At FundedNext, step 1, you need to get 10%, and at the TFT standard, all right, I will compare the standard because there are a lot of different kind of models at TFT. Again, 10% and 10%, profit target 5%, both of them at step 2, maximum daily loss. FundedNext, a maximum of 5, and TFT maximum of 6 daily loss. Maximum drawdown daily 5% at FundedNext. Maximum loss 10% at FundedNext, and at TFT 12%. So at FundedNext, first step, get 10 before you lose 10. Step 2, get 5 before you lose 10. No more than 5% daily. TFT, get 10 before you lose 12, get 5 before you lose 12. Daily loss, no more than 6%. Minimum trading days, 5 minimum trading days at FundedNext and 3 minimum trading days at the TFT. This is for step 1. Step 2, 5 and 3 as well. Maximum daily, 30 and 35 for TFT and 30 and for FundedNext at the step 1, and step 2, 60 maximum maximum trading days. The profit split here for the two-step evaluation are 80% and then 90%, and as well at TFT. So guys, if this video helps you, please like this like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about prop firm. If you would like to get more knowledge about that, just follow the link under this video and you will get to Which Funded. Thank you for watching. Trade safely, and I will see you soon in our next videos. Bye bye.